Go with the flow. Go with flowy. You're half Filipino, half Filipina. Mega. Mag-vlog na po taday. Daga na kayong vloggers dahil sa Facebook. Alin na po sa YouTube. Ginoo ko. So for today and tomorrow and in the future, I'm gonna do reaction videos of anything, everything under the moon and the sun and the universe. So for today's video, we will react to SB19's live performance of their latest single, Damn! Wow, damn! And of course, I have to bring my fellow 18 Atin. Hi! Is she familiar? Oh my God.
Yes, I am. I think.
Such a humbling experience. Humbling? I'm so honored
ba
to be
to?
joined by
Award
Just Liz.
show?
I don't need further introduction. Just Google her. Google her.
Oh my God, no.
Go naman.
Sobra.
Just Liz in the house. I'm gonna post her her link on the description. And subscribe to
I
her
have not
channel.
been reacting to SB19, but I'm a fan. So, just so you know,
What
guys.
happened?
Fan po ako. Wag na maintriga. Okay?
We will do another video for that. Charot lang.
Maintriga
guys,
to si ate girl.
Oh, para konting chismis.
Ah,
I-comment nyo
diba?
guys. Sasabihin ko sa comment.
Ay, wag ganyan.
So, let's
Wag
watch
ganyan.
na lang the live performance of SB19 sa Showtime. It's Showtime. Let's go!
Play this.
Lo, ako pala mag-play
Oy,
dapat,
guys,
no?
before we even dive in naman to this one, di ba?
Ano nangyari?
Supportan si SB19.
Ay,
Huwag
oo.
kakalimutan.
Guys, I have to promote them, no? So, thank you sa nag-upload ng video.
Lima May Delgado.
Wala, patay ka, te. Charot.
Hindi makakita si ate girl sa malayo. Hindi siya makakita sa mga small details. So, I'll be
Lucky.
the one to say it.
Thank you for assisting me and guiding me. This is from Showtime Live.
Uploaded via Lima May Delgado. And of course, guys, huwag natin kakalimutan, supportaan ang...
SB19, syempre.
And of course, si ate girl yun. Huwag niyo pagkalimutan supportaan.
Okay na.
Flowy,
Malapit na po sa
go with the
SB19.
flow kind of thing. You're half Filipino vlogger. Come on. What are you waiting for? Di ba?
Grabe na to. Damn talaga, damn.
Damn.
I-play na natin yan. Oy. Oh my God, intro pa lang. For a Showtime stage ha, ibang level to.
Okay, guys. First things first, ako lang ha, magre-react ako, hindi ako regularly nanonood ng mga ganitis.
Sa Showtime, no?
Na mga variety show, whatsoever.
Mga noontime show, whatsoever.
Oo. Pero, ganito pala yung,
Hindi for that performance na talaga, I think.
yung setup ng stage, ganito katindi, guys, with regards
sa
to the
SB19 lang, but I feel free to correct me.
Kung sa SB19 lang, wow ha. But kung ganito sila sa lahat-lahat, wow talaga
Wow
din.
din. Thank
Diba?
you, Showtime.
Oo. For like having this type of stage, for real, are you kidding me?
Diba? First 10 seconds pa lang ng performance, ganun yung mga comment namin,
Oo,
guys.
diba? Kasi
Ganun yung
diba,
reaction namin. Pero,
I've been watching variety shows like since I was little and that. But
Ibang level
hindi
na,
ganito yung
yung
ganyan.
for just one song to perform, no? Kasi this
Oo,
is just,
diba?
guest appearance.
Oh my God.
To promote
Okay,
their
let's
song.
continue. Oh my God,
Pablo Pinuno. John! Eto na tayo, grabe.
Guys, I like how he does like isang ice age.
Anong tawag dyan? What?
Parang,
Ex-boyfriend ko yung si Josh. Charot, iba na yung ko, bet ko ngayon.
pero talaga
I
si
will
Ken,
tell
si
you.
Ken yung BFF ko for
Si Ken naman yung first love ko. Tumalon pala siya sa gilid. Bagay sa kanya yung
Guys.
yung buhok, kasi yung fur.
Oh my God, hindi
The
pa tayo
aesthetic is
nakatapos.
aesthetic king.
Hindi tayo matatapos nito because this
Wala
is
pang 1
giving.
minute.
This is so giving facial
Give
whatsoever.
us subscription.
Giving aesthetics, giving
Grabe,
everything.
uy.
Look at Pablo, man. Are you stelling me?
Hindi pala turn ha, pero project na
Pero
project
si
ha.
Ken po talaga,
Nasaan si Ken?
walang mukha si Ken.
Parang napugutan ng ulo.
Pero di ba, ano ba yun? Pero si Jack,
Uy, Ja is
Justine.
my, it's my new, alam niyo tayo yun, baka tayo mabahan tayo dito.
Uy, walang ban-ban kasi hindi ka pa monetize.
Uy, the thirst trap is thirsting. Wala
The
na tayong
thirst trap
tubig.
is talagang
Dahil sa,
thirsting.
Wow.
Guys,
Water malfunction
please,
ba yun?
we need, what do we need? We need an ambulance. We need
Yes,
a
guys, what do we need to
firefighters.
prepare before we proceed
Everything.
with this hot performance
Guys,
of Dam?
30 seconds.
Day, mga 1 hour na mag-react nito, guys. So,
Oh my God.
Josh pa lang yun, ha?
Nakakalur ka.
Sige, play na
Nakakaloka.
tayo, guys.
Papatuloy pa ba
Ay,
namin to?
nalobat na kami.
Papatuloy pa na natin to. Parang
Papatuloy.
hihimatayin tayo nito. Oh my God, the Arabian moves na parang
Ay, oo nga, parang familiar yung mga beats, no? Parang cobra.
Diba? Arabian moves yan eh, diba?
Pero yung intro nila ba, parang kayong Beyonce na kanta na, let me go.
Hindi ako
Something like
Mel.
that.
Hindi ako Mel, but
Pero
oh my
a little bit
God,
na.
the styles like ganun, parang Arabian dance, diba? Diba?
Iba ditong si Stel, eh.
Oh my God.
Eksena din, eksena.
Oh my God, I love their moves, their hand gestures, this and
Sa
that.
mga dancers ba yun?
Pero, di ba, hindi ba obvious yung kay parang Pinuno na, di ba may single siya? Shit, I forgot the name of his like single.
Bakit? Magkatunog ba?
Parang magkaganon.
Yun yung style niya kasi, di ba?
Oo, so it's really nice to see as well na para bang may signature voice, may signature
Da.
type of rapping po si Pinuno.
Pinuno-coded.
Diba? So at least para bang the recall ba is parang, uy, si Pinuno yun, si Pablo yun. Diba? It's very interesting to also see that in this type of video, in this type of
Kasi
song.
naman, nakailang kanta na sila, for sure, especially sa mga fans. We know na their signature. Kahit nakapikit tayo, ay, ito na, turn to ni Justin. Or
Di ba? Kahit si Eminem, di ba? Alam natin kung si Eminem yung kumakanta, di
Oo
ba?
na.
Kasi may signature. Kaya maganda rin na ganito yung ginagawa ni Pablo. Na
Sino
may...
si Eminem, tita? I only know, Drake.
Oh my God, I'm so like yesterday. Eminem kaya, tsaka si Easy Mill, wag mong ginaganyan ha. Bagong lang,
Buti kilala mong SB19, hindi Backstreet Boys.
bagong talent ni Eminem si Easy Mill, kapwa
O,
Pinoy.
diba?
Don't you know?
Ganun nakatanda si Eminem. Ano na siya, talent agency.
agent na siya. Gagi.
Oh my God.
But anyways, that's what I'm trying to say ba, na para bang may parang katunog na recall. What do you call it? Yung recall ba? Yung parang voice
Trademark,
recall?
signature.
Or yes, yung parang gano'n, di ba?
Style.
Isn't it nice to hear na para bang, uy, si ano yan di ba? Maganda di ba?
Yes.
Para bang, wala, may effect lang.
So, ano kaya yung
Gagi.
kanta na katunog
Oh my God,
mo?
but si Ja,
Moment kasi yung choreographer nila is a grand champion of dance contest or talent show ng Showtime
okay.
dati. From XP Jensen yung naging dance show nila ng
okay,
Showtime.
that's so nice to know, no? But going back, parang ako nagdadalay ko.
Gora, uy, yun nga, so grabe.
Kalimutan ko, hindi ko pala channel to.
Okay lang yan. Uy, at least, pag ako na lang isa, ganun pala dapat.
Okay, sige. Pero
So, ano yung tanong mo?
Anong nakuha mo sa message nila?
May message pala. Charot
Oo,
lang.
yung dam.
Anong
No,
pakiramdam? So, yun nga, dam is short for pakiramdam pala. Hindi pala
Yeah.
nagbumura na, dam.
But it should be like at the same time, para bang,
Diba?
siya, parang double
Metaphor,
meaning. Yeah,
meaning.
ganon.
Pero
Para bang-
going back sa set ng staging, hindi lang sa stage, pati yung camera works, di ba?
Yes, the camera works
For
is
a
intense, is crazy.
For a TV show, di ba?
Oo, para bang, ganun ba lahat? Hindi naman ko, nanonood tayo lahat
Iba
sila
din ang-
talaga yung na walang focus na ganun, di ba? Parang walang yung up and down whatsoever. Hindi sumasabay sa tunog.
Correct.
Pero ngayon, parang iba. Ba't ganun? Because it's SB19, di po ba?
SB19 always set the bar high.
Set
Ano bang
the
tawag sa
record,
kanya? The
like,
King of
P-pop.
The Supreme, my
Oh
God.
my God. But because of course, why not, diba? Because of how hard they have gone through to be able to really like put a name sa kanila
Diba, uy.
and be able to like surpass all the negativity. The negativities po, sus Mariusip.
Oo, napanood ko yung nila, yung documentary movie nila
diba?
sa mga
Sa
napagdaanan.
sobrang dami pong ups and downs, sideways, you know?
Are you excited for this new era? Era?
diba? Yeah, of course I'm excited. How I wish they will like do any concerts here in Cebu.
In
But
Cebu, guys.
unfortunately,
Bakit?
it's only a one-time show. But fortunately, nakapanood kami.
Oh, no, ano ba?
We were-
Where
we
you
were-
at?
We were absent.
Anong year yun, ate?
Wyatt.
Ate talaga? Anong year yun?
Ewan ko sa iyo, kuya. Joke.
Ba, Filipino, Filipina. Ako pala yung Filipina, siya yung Filipina.
Talagang barahan ba to? Ganon.
So guys, sabi ko sa inyo, pag may Pinoy na talento, supportan nyo na agad.
Especially kung deserving, di
Oo,
ba?
yung
They are
SB19
very,
dati,
very
konti lang kami
deserving.
nagsusupport sa kanila. Yung,
Tsaka ang daming umuokray po, promise.
Tignan nyo
Kesyo
ngayon.
trying hard na K-pop, kesyo this and that, kesyo... Pero ngayon, sino nasa Billboard?
diba? Sinong may world
Sinong number
tour?
1 sa Apple, like, downloads?
Sinong hindi na babalik sa Cebu? Dahil ibang level na.
Oh, di ba? Pero at least naka-experience kami noon sa
Iba,
Cebu,
iba
di
talaga.
ba?
Iba
It
ang
was
energy.
such a great experience. It was such
Super.
an unforgettable experience. And at the same time, you know what? I do really appreciate the messages of their songs.
That's
It's
right.
always like, it's so deep. Hindi po siya parang mababaw lang, na kesyo nagpapakyut lang, kesyo this and that. Para po talagang may mensahe po talaga.
Yung lyrics talaga, guys, you have to really understand the lyrics. I have nothing against kung anong trip nyo sa
Yeah,
buhay,
I
mga
mean, you know.
music, basta good vibes lang. Pero once in a while, listen to this kind of songs. Kasi ito yung may mensahe, may advocacy, may pinaglalaban.
Yeah, and may inspiration kang makukuha.
correct.
'Di ba?
May saysay.
Oo, talagang kasi sometimes in our life we go through ups and downs, 'di ba? And if we listen to a certain song who gives us so much positivity, so much encouragement, why not? 'Di ba? Sariling atin pa
Pero yung
naman
mga
din.
feedback, nabasa ko yung mga comments ng ibang, I'm not sure if fan sila, parang yung song na to daw, puro sigaw daw, parang naiingayan sila.
No, because it's about time to kind of like fight back to all of those negative comments around them na, damn, to all of you guys, ang inang shit mo dyan, di ba? Ganon, di ba? Parang,
Na-carried away,
oo,
bro.
parang kasing too much negativity and they think that they're gonna not like talk back or para bang kunwari, ano lang sila, parang passive lang sila, ganon, na hindi sila nagka-counter. But, hey, they're listening to all of what your guys saying, you know? At the end of the day, they know what your guys are saying, but it's not gonna affect them. But at the same time, too much is too much. We have to
Yes.
speak up. We have to, like,
Era na ito is SB19 palaban.
Oo.
Palaban
in a way na nasa tamang daan, nasa tamang
Correct.
katwiran.
At hindi pa rin sila mamayayabang, mababait pa rin sila.
Oo.
No?
But
Grabe.
sometimes, you know, you just have to fight back for all of those bullies who are bullying them na sometimes, you know what? Who do you think you are? At the end of the day, who do you think you are?
So that was the message of the song pala.
No, not really. But then, kasi sinasabi mo parang pa-attack kasi, di ba? But then, the message really, as far as what I'm concerned of, is para bang sometimes, if you get all those, like, the best things in life, para bang, at the end of the day, it's not enough.
Tama.
Para bang,
Damn.
kuha mo na lahat eh, tapos biglang, hindi ako masaya. Kasi ikaw lang, mag-isa ka lang sa tuktok.
Noon nga yun, napanood ko yung documentary nila, yung pagtatag, no? Pagtatag tour documentary.
Mag-isa ka lang sa tuktok, wala kang ka-share, wala kang kahalubilo, and then, all of a sudden, yung mga tao na sa paligid mo, peke. Kasi, di ba, they're after all of your riches, they're after all of this, and then, sip-sip lang sila because of what you have, of what you get, of what you can give, but not because of who you are.
Pero yung ano doon, it's part of their learning process. They have to go through those things kasi doon sila kumukuha ng hugot for their next song. And they're still young, di ba? Like,
And it's so very inspiring kasi parang kinukuha nila kay Adam and Eve. Parang ganun, di ba? Yung, I don't know if you've seen the music video.
yung ano nung concept
Oo,
nito.
ng concept nila. Para kasing ganun yung simula. Di ba may parang tree, yung parang forbidden tree, na parang yung apple, ganun.
Yun pala, yun dapat yung ano ko, mga
Pero
conspiracy theories, mga
conspiracy
Easter
theories.
eggs, kung meron man sa mga video na yan.
Yun yung nakuha ko kasi I've seen the music video itself.
So, Guys, feel free to comment, guys.
Kung baka si Mang kay
yung
Miss
talaga,
ano, no.
baka
Kasi
iba yung interpretation namin.
Lagpas na po kami. Hindi
Iba-iba naman
natin
tayo ng
alam.
pero please correct us. We would love to read your comments.
Yes.
We really care. Because
Because Metro cares.
I'm half Filipino, half Filipina, your amiga. So go with the flow. Go with Flowy. Thank you so much. I'm with Liz again. Please support her, just Liz. And of course,
Support
SB19.
her as well.
And all the members from Stel, Pablo, Ken, Josh. Hala, ba nakalimutan ako?
Justin!
Si Justin, my husband. Thank you, guys.
Love ya!